Hello viewers, welcome back to this course where we are learning the basic Linux command on Windows using git bash. In this lesson we are going to learn about the commands that enables you to work with the files and folders. We are going to focus specifically on files. Alright, I am already in the CMD tutorial folder I created earlier. Okay, we have been working with this directory. So if I do ls here, I have some files and folders. I have some files so that we can use it for demonstration. The first command I want to show you here is the file command. Let's get the help so that you will see the usage. I type file-help, press enter. This is the usage. The description says it determines the type of files. So if you want to determine the type of file, you can use the file command. You can also read through the flag so that you can see the flag that you can include into the command. Okay, let me clear the screen. Clear the screen like this. Okay, the screen is cleared. Let me list the files again I have here. Okay, I have some files already here. If I type file, I have text.txt like this. So this file here, I want to get the type of the file. I press enter. Okay, it will just say empty. Yeah, it is an empty file, guys. So let me add content into the file. Let me add text. I am adding hello world into the text.txt. Let me do file text.txt now. Okay, you can see it will return more information about this file. You can see now it is no longer saying empty because the file is actually empty before, but I added hello world into the text. It is now saying that it's ASCII and it is a type of text. So that is it, guys. So I have other file like package.json. If I do file, then I say package.json, okay, and press enter. Do you see now it is a JSON text and it is type of data file? Okay, it is a JSON data. So I also have some video. I say if I do type sample video, so it's not type, it's file, okay, like this, file sample video.mp4. If I press enter, you can see it return the type ISO media, mp4 based media. That is how to use the file command, guys.